Hello children, welcome to 10th class Physical Science digital classes. Today we are going to start a new lesson in physical science, that is reflection of light at curved surfaces. I am RP sir. Let us start our first lesson, reflection of light. Let us know what is light. Light is a natural agent that stimulates sight and makes things visible. You can see in picture that we are able to see the table because of light. Fermat's principle or principle of least time. Light follows the path of least time. Suppose this is a torchlight and the light will select those paths which will take least time. It will not follow like this, it will not follow like this. Light will always select those paths which will take least time. Properties of light. There are 5 properties of light. Those are reflection, diffraction, interference, diffraction and polarization. In this chapter we discuss about reflection. Reflection is nothing but the return of light from a surface is called reflection. The return of light from a surface is called reflection. Let us consider a mirror. It acts as a reflecting surface. Now this is an incident ray. This incident ray strikes at point of intersection, point of incidence and get reflected. So let us define some terminology. Incident ray. The ray which falls on mirror is called incident ray. Reflected ray. The ray which returns from the mirror is called reflected ray. And here this is a normal. Normal is nothing but a perpendicular line to the surface is called normal. And angle I. Angle I represents angle of incidence. That is the angle between incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence. Angle of reflection R. Angle of reflection is nothing but the angle between reflected ray and normal is called angle of reflection. Now let us know laws of reflection. There are 2 laws of reflection. Those are first law of reflection, second law of reflection. First law of reflection states that the incidence angle and reflection angle are equal. The incident angle is equal to the reflection angle. For example, the incident angle is 30 degrees. The reflection angle is also equals to 30 degrees. And the second law of reflection states that incident ray, normal and reflected ray all lies on same plane. When you observe the figure, this incident ray, this reflected ray, normal all lies on same plane. Now these are the 2 laws of reflection.